On this video, I'm going to be breaking down for you guys the latest market trends for Pyth Network Token and see what has changed since the last time I've talked about Pyth Network. And we're going to be starting on this weekly time frame here. Okay, there's been quite a bit of things happening since the last time because Bitcoin has been dumping, and when Bitcoin dumps, quite a bit of these altcoins are going to be dumping as well. And as we have seen for the past couple of weeks, it's not been too bullish for Pyth Network. But could things be changing sometime soon? So let's go ahead and take a look here. This is the weekly time frame, and this is a falling wedge pattern for Pyth Network. Falling wedges has a higher chance of breaking to the upside, and this broke to the upside, okay? And the price target for this breakout would be almost 30 cents for Pyth Network. Now, price targets are estimates only. There could be more, there could be less. Very much depends on what happens with Bitcoin. If Bitcoin goes on an extensive dump, that is not going to be good for these altcoins, and these setups are going to be worth very little, okay? So, gotta be keeping an eye out on Bitcoin first. I am long on Bitcoin. I am long on quite a bit of the altcoins here, so my opinion on this market is bullish right now. However, these are just my opinions, like the entirety of this video, and not financial advice. You should always do your own research and form your own opinions. Now, Pyth Network, since the breakout here, what has it been doing? Okay, it's gotten on top of the weekly 21 SMA that's currently at about almost 14 cents, the blue line, so that's good. That is now support. The next key resistance on this time frame is going to be the weekly 50 SMA at about 22 cents, okay? Let's zoom in to the daily time frame here and see if I can get some more clarity on what Pyth Network is doing. So it has gone on top of some of these daily moving averages, but it has broken back below the daily 21 SMA, which is the blue line here. Currently at the daily 50 SMA, that's going to be your support, right? And I mentioned that there was a rising wedge pattern, which broke down. The breakdown target was about 16 cents. Now, it did continue breaking down through that target, almost going to about 14 cents here. And what Pyth Network has done since is that it has actually formed a smaller falling wedge pattern here on this daily time frame. Now, if Pyth Network can actually, if actually breaks out here, for example, price target would be about 22 cents, okay, for Pyth. Now, if that happens, and let's just say hypothetically, okay, it doesn't have to happen, right? Hypothetically, if Pyth can actually come all the way back up to about 25 cents here, that could potentially form some type of a cup and handle, but I think that is still a pretty, it's still too far away to say. It's still a kind of a hypothetical scenario. You want to see Pyth Network break out of this falling wedge pattern first, and then hit some of these targets before the 25 cents resistance and see what happens there. So that's basically what I'm seeing for Pyth Network in a nutshell. Let me know if you guys want to continue seeing any more of this coin by dropping a like, comment, subscribe, or any other coins in this market. I'll pick a request to do for you guys on a daily basis. I'll see you on the next one.